Hi guys, welcome to this Tracker channel. So guys, I'm discuss about that how we can creating for letterhead design using Canva option. So everyone asking one question. So how we can design the letterheads? So Canva how we can supporting? So how will we design the particular letterheads by using Canva option? So in this, I have to discuss about that how to use the flexible Canva on the particular business purpose. Here, first of all, I'll tell you this one. In this video, I had explained about SBI computers. They're providing for laptop repairs, system repairs. They're providing for a lot of options are there. In this, go to your website. We can call to customer support, and they will support for how we can fix your laptop and desktop repairs complete in Hyderabad. So, in this person asking for letterhead, how will we design the in the particular business letterhead? We can use it for Canva option. So Canva, so what are the options are required? We can checking for letterheads. We are selecting for letterheads. So letterheads, how is a valid? The valid point is called the letterheads depend on the design will be here. The lot of designs are here. Which one we can free? That one we can select. First we can selecting for blank letterhead. After that, in your right side corner, this all we are based on logo. We have to select this option. So yeah, these all options are here. You can see number of options are there. So if I'm clicking this is one kind of letterhead. Okay. So based on the color, we'll be selecting here. So remove. So their logo will be here. So here we can selecting for that depend on the logo color. So we can use. So little focusing for 50, 75. So their content is there. Remove it. Here, below will be adding for your particular options. So select first option, same color will be added. Next we'll be adding for black. After that, add your address here. So address will be compulsory important and website address will be here. So we can select here is the address, add here. So you can change your color also. Same we can using logo colors. As usual, we can using for logo option. I'm adding for address here. So I can add address here. In this will be here, or else we can add it here. As usual, you can use the white and you can crypt on the this side. So how many letterhead formats are there? We can use n number of letterhead formats will be here. So I'll design one more letterhead. You can see this one. So here is a one more letterhead. I'm designing this option. So you can check it out. So which is the comfortable design? We can select it will be here. So yeah. Based on the colors, you can selecting for every options are here. So select logo color here and comfortable in this. So which is a comfortable color? Add the comfortable color here. So we can using for two letter will be designed, first one and the second one. So which is design you will be looking for that, you can go to the particular designs here. So these all will be kind of templates you can design for letterheads using Canva option. So no need to using Photoshop, Corel, a lot of options are there. So that is a compulsory not using, we can using Canva, we can make in your own letterhead by using this option. So nothing to worry to generating for your particular letterhead format. So anything required in your letterhead, you can using by Canva to making a letterhead option. So anyone looking for letterhead, how you can design, you can comment me or you can contact me. I'll provide the letterhead by your comfortable design. I'll send you the in your personal WhatsApp chat. You can anytime contact my YouTube comment box. I definitely will be support. How is the design for your letterhead will be completely designed. And one more important option, when I select any letterhead, which is a free one, you can select it. Which is a paid one, don't select it. Some will be free, some will be paid. So most of them will be free will be there. So select the option and use the particular things. So this is a method we can design by letterhead for every design. And very key point for everyone, to download the letterhead will be PDF format. Just compulsory keep it in mind. Any PDF we can download is only for will be valid for letterhead. Any letterhead we can download. The format is called PDF. Don't use JPG and PNG. They will support also both, but PDF standard is the important. It is a standard. Second will be printable. So both will be flexible. In option will be here. We can using for PDF standard also. Both we can download it, which is comfortable. We can use the particular option by using why your company letterhead purpose. The stamp important. If you design anything, nothing work out. Your stamp is the more preference. So make it your letterhead perfect design using Canva and use your company without using for Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Simple go to Canva and check with your designs. By everything will be here. These all options are there. We can search this option. We'll get find out the letterhead and start the design for letterhead option. So this is the we can very comfortable design letterhead by using Canva option. No need to go for spending for a lot of money for letterhead. Lot of designs are there. Existing content remove and add your logo, address, website address, enter your mail ID in the header and finish your letterhead perfectly without spending zero amount to your design by Canva website. Make it your own letterhead. Anyone needs support, contact me, this is Rakesh. I will always supporting for here. So if any more videos required like this, please comment me my comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.